Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Occidental Petroleum. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, June 8, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Occidental Petroleum? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Occidental Petroleum stock with a 0.202 score, and our system has ranked Occidental Petroleum buy or hold candidates since May 11, 2022. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 14.86% since we first told you to buy Occidental Petroleum 20 days ago. This is an average return of 0.74% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Occidental Petroleum, our last headline reads, Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock price fell by -2.15% on the last day, Wednesday, June 8, 2022, from $70.55 to $69.03. During the day the stock fluctuated 3.85% from a day low at $68.36 to a day high of $70.99. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.09% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 4 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 29 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.02 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $74.04, and the lowest price was $21.62. Right now the price is 6.77%, or $5.01, below 52-week high and 21.26%, or $18.64, below all-time high June 7, 2018 where the price hit $87.67. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 22.08% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 8.79% and 29.34%. The 12-month trend indicates a 138.16% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 61.45% and 149.92%. This equals a price between $111.45 and $172.52 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Occidental Petroleum stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Occidental Petroleum stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Occidental Petroleum. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $69.79. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $63.25. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 27, 2022, and so far it has fallen -2.58%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 110 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 108 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Occidental Petroleum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $58.13 and $57.50. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Occidental Petroleum Corporation finds support just below today's level at $58.13. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $57.50 and $55.59. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.63 between high and low, or 3.85%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.53%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Occidental Petroleum. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Occidental Petroleum currently has a price-earning ratio of 10.41. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Occidental Petroleum meets first resistance at $69.31. If you do not hold Occidental Petroleum shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Occidental Petroleum finds first level of support at $58.13, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Occidental Petroleum is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by champion Christopher O, whom have bought and sold 119,087 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 97.842. In total, the insiders bought 114,083,783 and sold 626,994 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $66.69, minus 3.39%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 7 days ago. Is Occidental Petroleum stock a buy? Occidental Petroleum Corporation holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 9th, we expect Occidental Petroleum to open up 43 cents and start trading at $69.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.